like this. So last class we have seen this, the Kramer system of sleep power recovery system, the Kramer system. So now today we will see the Shriba's system of uh, controlling the controlling of speed of three-phase induction motor. Okay, so you can see the system is shown here. So this is the Shriba's system. You have Shriba's system of this, and this method requires either three-phase or six-phase AC commutator machine, which is called as, so this is this machine, Shriba's machine is either three-phase or six-phase AC commutator machine. Okay. Then the main difference between the Kramer system and this Shriba's system is that Shriba's system is not connected directly to the motor, for which it is going to connect main motor whose speed is to be controlled. So this, it is not connected directly. See here, through other regulating transformer and slip ring, it is other regulating transformer. Otherwise, in previous case Kramer Nadi, it was connected directly to the generator motor set. That is what. Then another point, the Shriba's machine is excited at slip frequency. That means at rotor frequency, slip frequency, and one main motor through a regulating transformer. So this, so it is Shriba's here, it is regulated at or excited at FR, rotor frequency, and then regulated through, and then the main motor is regulated through this regulating transformer. Okay, so from here it is coming, then you regulate it, and then the tappings, just a description here. The tappings on this transformer can be varied by why you are wearing this, just to change the voltage here. So this changes the voltage developed in the rotor of Shriba's machine, which is injected into the rotor of the main motor, and from there it is injected there. Okay, so rotor of the injected motor, this controls the speed of the main motor. Okay, so this is how the motor, by changing the regulator. In Kramer system, what it was just you are changing the rheostat. There, by varying the rheostat, you are changing the voltage injected to the motor generator set, and hence the speed of the motor was controlled there. The Shriba's machine here is connected directly to the induction motor from main line, so that it is speed deviates from. Okay, that is what you can have. Now next, whatever we have done till now was Kramer, and then that Shriba system was for the conventional method, means the rotating parts were used there. Now if you replace that rotating part by a power electronics devices such as this IGBT switch or SCR and all this thing, then it becomes static. So in Kramer, instead of motor generator set, if you replace that motor generator set by a thyristor or IGBT or other like MOSFET and all this thing, then you get the static Kramer drive. Okay, so here, so now this part is now replaced by, in previous case, what was this? Static member, conventional Nadi. You see, if it is conventional, so here conventional Nadi, you have rotating part, DC motor and rotary converter is there. Now static Nadi, so you replace this by the static part, means the power electronics devices, then you get a static Kramer system. Okay, so this part is the static Kramer. So you have diode rectifier and then line commutated inverter. So there you use. So here the sleep frequency power obtained from the rotor circuit is converted to DC voltage with the help of this circuit, and then this voltage is then converted to line frequency voltage and supplied back to the AC supply mains. Okay, so this is how it is given. Speed control. So in this case, the sleep power flows only in one direction. Hence, this type will offer the speed control only below the synchronous speed. So this is the main drawback of this. So the static Kramer drive will be able to control the speed of the induction motor below synchronous speed. So if you want to control the speed of the synchronous machine above the synchronous speed, then this system is not applicable. Okay, so this. Okay, so this is what we have. So this another point you can have this torque. This drive is a constant torque drive. Now next point for discussion is the you have meant the disadvantage is that speed can be controlled only below the synchronous speed. So now if you want the speed above the synchronous speed, what you have to do is you have to use this static Shribas system. Okay, so Shribas static Shribas system. So in camera drive, speed of sleep ring can be only controlled below the synchronous speed. So if you want to control above and below the synchronous speed, then static Shribas system is used. Okay, so there are two possible configuration. One is DC link Shribas and another one is cycloconverter static Shribas drive. So first one DC link Shribas system here. So DC links through link you are making it that. Okay. So others are all same. You can have DC link key, that is the. Then cycloconverter Nadi you will have is you are using the cycloconverter inverter system. So cycloconverter Shribas system. This is used in very high power applications and blower type drives only. So if you are the drive use having a rating of very high rating, then we use this type of. Okay. So this cycloconverter actually permits the power flow in either direction and hence can control the speed both in subsynchronous means below synchronous speed and super synchronous above speed uh, range. Okay, so that is the range along with the motoring and regeneration modes. That is again same thing. So these drives offer constant torque drive system. Then now next another top you have point is synchronous motor drive using current source DC link. So this is your synchronous motor drive using so speed control of that synchronous motor. So synchronous motor drive using. And then this is there. So these are some. So now with this we have completed this and now there are two more topics which I will give you as a presentation topic. So please you can keep this one. So first one is brushless DC motor drive. So you have unipolar brushless DC motor and then bipolar brushless DC motor drive. So one topic. So everyone, so please prepare it. Okay. So I'll pick you up and randomly. So you have to present it. So it should be the present. So the presentation should be for around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so you will have that. Then second one is switch reluctance motor drive, SRM drive. So this is so 28 May, so 29 May you have class test. So 28 first and then 2nd June. Okay, if you are not able to complete all, so all of you have to present. Okay, so this please so make it. So if you are not able to finish it, then we will have other classes. So June now we still have June month. So that so these are some of the topics. So have you copied this topic?
Or only these
Hello?
two topics, sir.
Huh?
These two topics, sir.
Two topic on.
We have to present on both the topics, sir.
May suppose if you have prepare it, so topic can be anything, anyone. So you will get any topic. So prepare both the topic.
Okay.
Presentation
Okay,
also
so
make both the topics, sir.
presentation will not be both. Suppose if you have presented DC motor, brushless DC motor, then you don't have to present for switch reluctance. But prepare, so you never know which one you will get, which topic you will get.
28.
Okay.
If we can keep after that class test, how it will be, sir?
So
Instead
you
of
prepare it.
from 30, sir.
You prepare it. No.
Class test is on 29, sir. After class test, we will not 28 miss.
So 28 not required.
After I mean, sir, after that class test, sir, that means
Okay, so
from
28 not
30.
required. So after means 1st and 2nd June we will have presentation. Okay, so not 28. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Others,
Sir.
with these two topics, then we will be able to complete the Ani. We will be able to complete the drive key and this whole syllabus. So please, as of now, not yet finished. So you'll be able to finish only once you complete presenting this. Others not there, no?
Present, sir.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. We'll stop here.
Thank you,
Now.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.